In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable your Gemini in your Google Chrome browser. So the first thing we can do is go ahead and open up a browser. As you see, I'm just here on my Google homepage here. And what we want to do is go to the Google Chrome settings. So go to your right-hand side here on those three little dots here, and you want to go all the way down to where it says settings. This is going to open up your settings page, and you want to go to the left here and see where it says AI innovations. Go ahead and click that. And under AI innovations, you may have a couple different options here. All you really need to do is go ahead and click this and go ahead and turn this off. As you see, mine is turned off. And then right below that, you want to go ahead and just turn these off. So that's it for that. The next thing you can do is go down to System at the very bottom. And as you see, it says on device AI. Mine is currently turned on, and we can go ahead and turn this off. Now, the next thing we can do is go ahead and go into a new page, and you're going to stay up here at the search bar. And what you want to do is go ahead and type in Chrome colon backsplash and then flags. And then in the search bar here, go ahead and type in AI mode. And then at the very top, it says AI Omnibox entry point. And you want to go ahead to the drop down menu and go ahead and hit disabled. So once that is disabled, your Gemini should not be able to work while you're on Google Chrome. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to disable Gemini on your Google Chrome.